Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add music in Audacity using the latest Audacity interface in 2026. First, open Audacity on your computer. On the top left, click File, then click Open, and select your voice recording. Your voice track will appear in the editing area. Now to add background music, click File again, choose Import, and then click Audio. Select the music file you want to add and click Open. The music will appear as a new audio track below your voice track. If you want to move the music, simply click and hold the music track and drag it left or right. In this version of Audacity, you can move the track directly with your mouse. Place the music at the beginning, at the end, or anywhere you want. Next, adjust the music volume so it doesn't overpower your voice. Use the gain slider on the left side of the music track and reduce the volume until the voice sounds clear. If the music is longer than your voice recording, select the extra part of the music and press the delete key to remove it. Click the play button to preview the final result. If needed, make small adjustments to the music position or volume. Once everything sounds good, click File, then Export Audio, choose MP3 or WAV and save your project. That's it. This is the easiest way to add music in Audacity using the latest 2026 interface. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.